HICCTV Security Group. Some of the special features of Hikvision CCTV cameras that make them ideal for factory settings. High-resolution imaging. Hikvision cameras provide high-definition video quality, ensuring clear and detailed footage. Durability and weather resistance. Built to withstand harsh industrial environments, Hikvision cameras are often equipped with weatherproof and vandal-resistant housings. This ensures they continue to operate reliably in extreme temperatures, dust, and other challenging conditions. Advanced analytics. Hikvision's intelligent analytics capabilities, such as motion detection, intrusion detection, and object removal detection, help factory managers proactively address security issues. These features allow for real-time alerts and automated responses to potential threats. Night vision. Factories often operate around the clock, and Hikvision cameras are equipped with superior infrared night vision capabilities. This ensures clear footage even in low light or no light conditions, maintaining security at all hours. Remote monitoring and management. With Hikvision's advanced software solutions, factory security teams can monitor and manage the surveillance system remotely. This is particularly useful for large factory sites where central control from a single location can save time and resources. Hikvision's CCTV cameras provide warehouses with the tools they need to maintain a secure and efficient operation. Their advanced features and robust design make them a trusted choice for industrial surveillance.